We know how overwhelming it can all be. New house, new faces.
All up in your face. Just take it at your own speed.
Hello? We're home.
That's what happens when you suck.
So much for the welcome party.
Yeah, that thing growing out of the couch would be Eugene.
Is that him? Oh my gosh, really?
Oh, slow down, slow down.
Welcome home.
And that's Darla.
And Darla.
Big hugger.
Stand by. Stand by. This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast stations and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message.
This message is transmitted at the request of the National Aeronautics and Space Administration and the United States government. At 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, NASA discovered 6 meteors within the solar system, all of which are headed towards Earth. The impacted areas include Edmonton, Canada, Moscow, Russia, London, United Kingdom, Cape Town, South Africa, Cambria, Australia, and Brasilia, Brazil. NASA has confirmed that these meteors will cause all life on Earth to perish. Do not tell children that the world is about to end. You are asked to participate in any action that makes you calm. Most phone lines will be cut, and most internets will go out. This concludes the final activation of the emergency alert system. God bless the United States of America.